So first we'll need a square paper. We'll fold it into half. We'll again fold this into half. This is the second time I folded, and another half on the third time. Make nice creases and I will open it. So I'll get a lot of either horizontal or vertical lines. Now I'll fold half, bringing all the lines. So now when you open it, you should sort of have a plus mark like this. Okay, and I will take one flip, fold it backwards, and this on the other side. You will have something like this. You will get 2 flips on one side and 3 sheets on the other. Now follow these lines to make zigzag patterns or pleats. Okay, so I will show it to you again. So you'll follow, once you'll fold it towards you and away from you. So you just go on folding it this way to get the pleats. Now you should be able to see these lines. So loosen the folding and you should be able to see 2 zigzag lines. Okay, just open them and loosen it. And on the other side you will see 3 sheets. Open them and loosen a bit. And fold it backwards again to the zigzag pattern. Now hold all the pleats together. So just go on holding all the pleats like this from sideways, and then pinch a little bit over here so it stays together, and slide it out to get a V. Pinch it at the bottom and slide it out. So you will get a V. Now turn it over and from the bottom just open it, loosen the sheet, open this up, loosen it, okay, and bring it back. Bring back the pleats. Hold it from both sides and try to open them up to make a W. So I'm going to hold slowly, loosen it, loosen the sheets. So I've opened it on one side. Also even now you have to pinch it at the bottom and then open it. So this is on one side. Hold all the pleats, pinch it at the bottom so it doesn't come off, and pull it out. So this is ready. The W is ready. So now make the same for all the rest of the sheets, rest of the square sheets you have. I've made W's. Now I will stick them together. So I'm going to put glue and paste the W's together sideways like this. So I've applied glue on this one. Now what I'm going to do is pull out this and paste it together on this end to complete the circle. Okay, so I'll just press it, hold for some time to stick, then so I've pasted them together, and then you can just, once you paste it, you can keep rolling them So if you do it with different colors seems to pop out. So this is done.